Hi folks, welcome at Bernie's Wood Leather and Knife Shop, Bewoleks. Well, today I have a little bit of special task. Actually, a co-worker of mine who did get a Louis Vuitton bag from an auction, from an online auction, asked me if I could have a look and maybe make a repair, because he has seen my leather videos. And I thought, yeah, okay, let's give it a shot, let's give it a try. However, when I then investigated a little bit more, I realized, well, Louis Vuitton's inside, they don't have leather. It's canvas, so cotton canvas. But anyway, I thought, yeah, okay, let's give it a try. Obviously, something did spill, and they simply did cut out the original floor, and yeah, I'll see what I can do. Since Louis Vuitton's, you can send them to Louis Vuitton themselves and they would fix them, probably quite expensive. I decided to rather make a soft or smooth renovation, not destroying more than there is already destroyed. So I just decided myself to kind of add an additional canvas button into this, and yeah, we'll see. I don't know how it will be at the end, but hopefully you'll enjoy the video, and yeah, why not do something a little bit different for once? Yeah.
Well, that the glue would be seeping through the canvas that much was a little bit of a surprise that I didn't expect. But okay, it wasn't all the way back to square one, because I decided to simply use some canvas on the other side and go on. This is a special textile glue that you put on both sides of a surface and then iron it on. To make this button fit a little bit in a kind of a springy way, I actually used some steel cable that I did cut to lengths, soldered together, and then place around the perimeter of this cardboard. That way it was a little bit springy and was putting the rim of the new bottom to the side of the bag. says that hot melt glue can only be used with a hot glue gun. To avoid to ruin my nice new bottom for the bag, I first made a template that with similar layers and tried out if it actually works on my sewing machine. Well, it did. My trusty old Singer, it's a threadle. Here I use it just with hand operated. I did pick up some years ago from an auction for 10 bucks, and basically it's a shame. The quality of these machines is outstanding, and when you see how much people had to pay or how long they had to work that they could afford one of these machines back in the 30s and 40s, and for how much they are sold today, it's just a shame. In the end, I think it didn't turn out too shabby.
Okay, well, this concludes the video about the repair of this Louis Vuitton bag. Well, basically I tried to find a solution where I wouldn't destroy more than already was destroyed. The owner can, if they decide to, simply take out this additional floor, this double floor, and send the bag to Louis Vuitton to have it originally repaired, which they can do anytime, because I really didn't destroy more than there already was destroyed. Okay, I hope you did like the video. Next time will be more, again, leather or wood. But yeah, sometimes for a change, it's anyway interesting to do something else. Maybe it gave you some inspiration how you can fix a bag or something else yourself. And until the next time, I'll stay your Bernie. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Bye.